Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for Nasdaq and Dow Jones. See, I told you beyond 12150 one should not stay short, and then 12300 12400 level should get achieved. Similarly, US30 I had asked you to remain long above 31400, and then see it is now close to in fact 32,000 levels. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take? Let's have a look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Now this is the hourly charts. On the hourly chart, the support here for the day right now lying at around 12 260 260 270 zone. Lower highs are getting seen, and yes, only if you see it trading below 12 to 60, go short there, and else till the time it trades between 12 to 60 to 12320, do not trade in between these 60 points. Above 12320, yes, you can still expect a rise. Below 12 to 60, you can expect a little drop, and where is the next target? At around 12 to 30 levels. Below that you can expect 12150, which is going to be the next support level. So the resistance earlier, now a support at this point of time. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell, and the stochastic is overbought here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour chart, see the bullishness is diminishing here. You can see smaller candles, and now only a breakout about 12320 is something I will look forward to. If it breaks beyond this, yes, you can expect it to rise. Else, yes, you can see it is almost at the cusp of this rising channel, and we can expect it to, even if it tries to drop now, 12150 levels and 12100 levels should be a very strong support zone, which we should be watchful of. Even if it retraces from here, we can expect that this zone may provide a support, and then it can continue with the bullish momentum. And on the 4-hour chart, similarly, it is trying to see the previous few candles. The bulls are now the bullishness is diminishing, and hence be watchful here. 12 to 60, yes, you can take a short and take 12 to 60, then one can expect it a further drop. 12150 levels are now the strong support zone, which we have to be watchful and careful of. Below 12150, then this levels at 12050 and 12,000 levels will come into picture. Below that only one can expect that it can drop. See, I told you yesterday that it is getting or consolidated here, and then one can expect it to rise in this channel. Precisely, it has achieved the highs. Now probably we can again expect it to retrace back a bit on the downside if it continues to do so, and be watchful there of 12320 levels, and then on the downside be watchful of 12 to 60. In between these 60 points, do not trade. Look at the daily charts, it is bullish here, but see this trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. The previous candle was extremely bullish. Now probably it may retrace back a bit on the downside before looking forward to any further rise. About 12 to 12320, you can expect it to hit 12400, which is the next resistance zone, and beyond 12400 we may see a very strong rise on the upside. So be watchful and careful of 12320. Beyond that one can stay long. See, the one more resistance you will get at around 12350 12360 levels, and then 12400 will come into picture. Any move beyond 12400 should be considered as extremely bullish move, and then it will fly high on the upside till towards 12500. On the downside, if you see it trading below 12 to 60, go short for 12200 12150. 12150 definitely a very strong support now, and then below that we can expect it to hit 12050 and 12000 levels. The next strong support is at 12000. Below that should be considered a reversal, and then below that it can drop heavily. I don't expect that it is going to happen, but yes, it may. Be cautious till towards 12000 and 12400 levels. Directional movement is bearish, and it is willing to converge crossover. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is in green. RSI trading flat. Considering this, only long entry I'll recommend is at 12320. Beyond that, yes, you can expect 12350 360 zone to provide a support and resistance, and then 12400 will come into picture. Beyond 12400 we will see it flying high till towards 12500 and 12600 levels. On the downside, if you see it breaking below 12260, go short. Do not take any entry between 12260 and 12320. Below 12260 you can expect a further drop till towards 12200 12150, and below that we can see a little drop. So take your positions accordingly. And now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 has created a base or support zone, and now at 31800. Only if you see it dropping below 31800, go short, then one can expect it to drop more. The next support at 31700 levels will come into picture, and then 31590 will come into picture. Below that we can see it dropping again till towards 31400 levels. Till the time it trades above 31800, I will not recommend you to go short, and look at this, the bullishness is diminishing. Look at the hourly charts, and then I'll be watchful of 32,000 now. 32,000, above 32,000 you can still expect that it may get to some little resistance at 32,120 levels, and beyond that it will fly high to 32,200 levels. Directional movement is strongly bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is in green. RSI is overbought on the hourly chart. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, if you look at the 3-hour charts, the support here at 31,800 is definitely there. Look at this. See, now even if it tries to drop, 31,850 level should provide a little support, and with that as support it may continue to rise. So be watchful of this. And yes, you can take a short entry only if you see it trading below 31,850 levels. Below that you can expect 31,800, and below 31,800 only I'll expect that little bearishness it will show, else it may continue to fly high. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is overbought. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, right now again it is, see, now here on the 4-hour charts, after this retrace, after this smaller candle where the bulls were diminishing, it is again restarting its journey with the fresh bullish candle here, and hence from here I will be watchful of now 32,000 levels. Beyond 32,000 you can stay long for 32,120, and then beyond 32,120 we can see it flying high, and see, we can expect then further bigger bullish candle if it continues to trade in this fashion. So be watchful on the downside. Be watchful of 31,850. Below 31,850 we can expect 31,800 to provide a little support, and below 31,800 we can again see it getting dropped till toward 31,700 and below levels. So on the daily chart, similar is the observation. See, on the daily charts, after this retracement it is willing to give you second green candle, and look at the previous candle, almost from 31,100 to 31,800, 31,900 levels. So almost 800, 900 points, and now at least it may give you 400, 500 points of candle, second green candle. It could be further big bullish candle which may try to take it till towards 32,400 plus levels. If it continues to trade above 32,000 levels, go long, stay long. And yes, 32,120, 32,200, 32,400 levels should be there. And on the downside, if it breaks below 31,800, then only I will recommend you to go short. So in between 31,800 to 32,000, be cautious, be careful, and do not trade. Thank you. Take your positions accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.